Good evening, SDI-1210. This is Michael Frohberg here. Just going through my code assignment for this week, which was fairly complicated, and kind of took me gave me a long run for my money, so to speak. If I even got it all correct, I changed up how I actually tackled this assignment this week, where I was doing this whole story about being late to work. I didn't really think that was apropos. I didn't think that was the best way to sort of represent myself in the narrative that I want to put forward. So I decided to change it up this week. Went with a different storyline. Went with a storyline of selling a car, which may or may not have been easier to do. So first thing I did was create my JSON at the top, and within that create an object called my car, where I put the value of my car, the Toyota Prius 2007, 15,000. My price that I'm asking for is $15,000. It was true that it's sufficient, and it was an array of miles per gallon, which is meant to be a average of the different high and low mile per gallon. Sorry. This really challenged me this week, I must say. I'm not sure that I was able to get everything that I wanted to get. I think I'm fairly close, if not, right there. Doing this in conjunction with the flowchart was interesting. What I actually had to do in order to make it easier for my workflow was to create two different flowcharts. One with just all the different symbols, and one, where I would gray out one each every time I actually got one done, so that way I would know and be able to refer to what I finished and what I didn't finish, because I don't have that much screen real estate to be able to do all this stuff effectively, which is something I do have to consider and work through. Basically, this was a really good assignment this week. I think that I learned a lot. It pushed me to my limits, and I really hope that all of you did well.